Is the DJI Mini SE the perfect beginner drone? Priced at £270 or $300, the DJI Mini SE has the same body as the Mini 2, with the 2.7K camera and with slightly less advanced transmission. Being at 249 grams, you do not have to register this drone. And also being DJI, this is a very reliable drone and is far from just a toy, it is very powerful. This drone creates smooth, crisp footage and is all stabilised by its amazing gimbal. You can get 60 frames per second with 1080p, like shown, or 30 FPS with 2.7K. The DJI Mini SE is very fast and agile, and it can achieve up to 30 mph or 50 km/h in its sport mode. It also stops very quickly. The drone also has a cinematic mode, which slows it down and gives it much nicer shots. Although the drone may seem loud, it is actually one of the more quiet DJI drones. This drone is very good at fast moving shots also. However, note, there is no microphone. The drone further performs well at heights, the max legal being 120 meters. The signal range is strong. However, in urban settings, I find the max range to be about 500 meters. However, this will be higher in rural areas. Thanks to all the inbuilt technology and advanced wind resistance, you can comfortably fly this drone over water. There is also an FPV mode. However, this is meant just more for fun, rather than anything too serious. Furthermore, the drone ascends and descends smoothly without issues. To add, the camera quality is hindered at night, so morning or evening shots are the best time to shoot. If you're worried about losing your drone, don't worry, as it will automatically return to home if you lose connection. Unfortunately, you must provide your own SD card, as one does not come with the drone. Lastly, I'd like to add that if you're on Android, the DJI Fly App must be downloaded online rather than the Play Store. However, the app is very good and user-friendly. In conclusion, the DJI Mini SE is amazing value for money. Provided that you aren't in need of extended range, this drone would be perfect for anybody's first drone. I would highly recommend. Thanks for watching.